Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF file. I'll show you a 100% free tool to edit your PDF file. So if you are new for this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So I prepared a sample PDF file as it is shown here. So we'll edit this PDF file effectively. So what you are going to do, open your favorite browser, then search for Converter app. After the first option, Converter app, online converter for files, units and currencies, click on it. Then in this search box, search for edit PDF. Then as it is shown here, it says edit PDF. Then click to choose files. Let us choose our file. As I said before, I prepared this file which is available on my desktop. So let us call this paper PDF file. Then preparing the PDF editor, it is loading. Then after some time this dialog box will come. So it is preparing the file. So as it is shown from the top, you can see that the file has 3 pages, page 1 to 3. So if you are clicking this side, the page will increase, page 2, page 3. If you are clicking this side, the page will count down to it is the first page. So this is the file. Then there are different tools here. This has an example used to save the file. This used to write a text. This one used for check and uncheck purpose. This one used to for signature, and this one for drag mode in order to drag your text. This one for erase, this one for highlighting. So you can choose according to your preference. So the first thing what you are going to do is just let me show one trick. If you want to change this title, you can choose this selection mode, click on it, and this says application form. So let me change. If I want to change, first click there, then choose this box. Then this application form I can change into job application form. Then after writing this, replace, then it will replace this, as it is shown here, job application form. It is totally replace it. As I said before, if I want to change the page number, I can click here. Now we are in page 2. If I click here, we are in page 3. So this display the changed page here. So this is page 3. So let us return back to the first page. Then if I want to fill this form, post applied for, as an example, let's choose this one, text mode. Click the area you want to write something here. So I want to this job as an example. If it is lecturer, you can write lecturer like this, then click on it. If I want to drag and move it somewhere else, I can click this drag mode, then move the text into the area where I want it to be. So I kept it here. Then that's all. The other thing, full name, you can write your full name by using the same method here like Jack. Then click on it. You can move it by using this drag mode, as I said before. And also another text box, father's name, Muller. Click here, then move it by using this one, Muller. Permanent address, you can fill your permanent address accordingly. Then the other thing is that if you want as an example, this text mode, let us scroll it down. Then here sex, male or female. So by choosing this text mode, you can click it here. So now you see, let me erase this one. So like this, you can check and uncheck what you want. Then highlighting tool, if you want to highlight some specific place, you can highlight by using this one. And the other thing, if you want to undo, you can move this one. You see, it remove this highlighting. Then finally, if you want to put your signature, you can go for this signature and go to page 3, last page. You see there is some let's go for page 2. Yeah, here there is signature, so you can choose this signature, then click here. This dialog will come, then you can sign accordingly. Can put your signature here. So you can use this tool and minimize to fill the space. You can keep the date here by using this one, the date. Then right here, move it. No, you can move it here. So by using this one, you can edit the PDF. And finally, after finishing, you can save your PDF like this. Save it. You see, this is the saved file. Lecturer Jack Muller, job application form, and this sex male, and this is my signature, this is the date. So you can use this PDF editor in order to edit your PDF file. And finally, if you want to clear this one, you can use this delete file. It will delete your temporary file from this one. And you see page 00. And if you want to call even from this some other PDF, you can use this tool, then open from computer and choose file, and you can call the paper, another paper you want to edit. So you can use this method in order to edit your PDF file. It is very simple and free tool. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.